Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ala Hazrat Imam Sunnat Shah Imam Ahmed Raza Khan Barelvi Rahmatullahi was a great Islamic scholar. He was born on 10th of Shawwal on Saturday 1272 Hijri at Bareilly. At the age of 4 years, he completed his Nazra Quran education. Afterward, at the age of 6 years, he delivered an illustrious speech in the presence of great Islamic scholars of that era. Then at the age of 8 years, Ala Hazrat Imam Shah Ahmed Raza Khan Barelvi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi wrote the commentary on very renowned Islamic Arabic book Hidayatun Nahf, astonishing the Islamic scholars of that era and receiving acclaim from them. At the age of 13 years, 10 months and 4 days, he masters all the sciences of his era. And on the very same day, he wrote a fatwa on the reply of a query. Finding the fatwa accurate, his father delegated to him the office of mufti, and throughout his life, he rendered the services of ifta. He wrote thousands of fatwa on different topics, but unfortunately, all of them could not preserved. The fatwa which has recorded, compiled under the title of Al-Ataya Ar-Radawiyya fil Fatawa Radawiyya. In the latest version of Fatawa Radawiyya, there are 30 volumes and more than 20,000 pages. Imam Ahmed Raza Khan Barelvi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala also translated Quran in Urdu, and his translation is superior to all other translations in Urdu. He wrote the translation under the title of Kanzul Iman. Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmed Raza Khan Barelvi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala was a great poet. After this all, there is a most important announcement. Especially this announcement is belong to inhabitants of Sukkur City. Like many years, in this year too we are going to celebrate Urs of Ala Hazrat Shah Imam Ahmed Raza Khan Barelvi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala. Note down in your diaries, mark your calendars, on 30th of August, Friday, at Jama Barkati Masjid Station Road, Sukkur, there will be grand Mahfile Range Raza will be organized by Bazme Jami Raza. And the speciality of this Mahfil is that there will be 4 Umrah tickets will be distributed among attendees. So note down in your diaries, mark your calendars, and don't forget to attend that blessed Mahfil. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bestow us and enrich us with the blessings of Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmed Raza Khan Barelvi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Thank you so much.